How to find Clickbank affiliate ID quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be enabling ourselves to, find a Clickbank affiliate ID. That could be ours, it could be someone else's. It depends on whatever you want to find. Now, if you want to find someone else's affiliate ID, that's relatively pretty easy to do. But if you want to find your own Clickbank affiliate ID, that on the other hand is, pretty easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into your Clickbank account and you're going to log in, okay? Now, once you log in with your Clickbank account, what's going to happen is, like, even if I write here Clickbank affiliate ID, over here, if you go in images, you can see that your Clickbank affiliate IDs can be found in your settings dashboard, and inside your settings dashboard you can go into your accounts, and in your accounts you can see decode, a hop link, or ID, and you can decode that in the easiest, most simplest way possible, and it's going to arrive over here just like that. And you can do the same over here. You can test your hop links and everything should work amazingly. So yeah, that is how you can find your Clickbank affiliate ID. Just go into accounts and everything should be good. So yeah, basically that's about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.